Hey, what's up? This is Sifu Kuttel, and in this video, I want to clear something up. A lot of people make a mistake when they're referring to any martial arts school by just calling it a dojo. We've had the internet long enough. We've had all sorts of books and videos and everything available to us for long enough to not make this mistake, but people still do. So first off, dojo is a term typically used for Japanese martial arts schools. Dojang is typically used for Korean martial arts schools. So when it comes down to Chinese martial arts schools, what do you call it? Well, if you want to say it in English, you could just say school, academy, gym, or even studio, depending on the building itself. But if you want to keep it in a traditional terminology, then you really have to know where your style comes from. And this is because we have two dialects in Chinese that we'll use in reference to a martial arts school. So if you're learning a northern style of Kung Fu, or if you're learning typically in Wushu, you're going to be studying at a Wu Guan. Wu is martial, just like in the name Wushu. Guan is hall, or in reference to like a training hall. So when you put the word together, Wu Guan, it is a martial hall. Now, in Cantonese, for southern styles like Choi Li Fat, like Hong Ga, like Wing Chun, you're going to have Mogun. Mogun is exactly the same thing as Wu Guan. It's just that it's in Cantonese. Again, it's just martial hall. So if you're training in a Chinese martial arts system and you want to say, hey, I'm heading over to the dojo, you're making a huge mistake. But if you say, hey, I'm heading over to the Wuguan because I'm going to go do Wushu today, then you're on the right track. Or if you do a southern style, hey, I'm going to head over to Mogun and I'm going to go do some Choi Li Fat today. So it's a small little thing, but I hope this clears this up so you don't end up calling your school a dojo by accident. Don't make that mistake anymore. Just call it your school, gym, academy, Wuguan, Mogun, and you'll be all set. Let me know if you have any questions. Drop a comment down below. What do you think about this video? And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.